Hi everyone, welcome to another interesting video. In this video we want to solve this nice exponential expression, this Olympiad question. We have 8 to the power of x multiplied by 8 to the power of x equal to 20. What will be the value of x that makes the left hand side equal to the right hand side? X is equal to what? Solution. From our question, 8 to the power of x multiplied by 8 to the power of x equal to 20. So here we approach the left hand side with exponential identity, which implies if we have this expression to be multiplied together, the resulting answer will give us the addition of the exponent. So we have 8 to the power of x plus x equal to 20. If we add the exponent, we have 8 to the power of 2x equal to 20. Now here we can take the log of both sides. So we have log of 8 to the power of 2x equal to log of 20. Now we can bring down this exponent 2x down to the base. 2x log 8 equal to log 20. So here we can as well simplify this log 8 as 2x log of 2 to the power of 3 equal to, simplifying this 20 as well, we have log of 4 multiplied by 5. So now we can also bring the 3 down to the base. Then we have 3 into bracket 2x log 2 equal to log 4 multiplied by 5 will now be in form of addition. Log 4 plus log 5. From here we can divide both sides by log 2 to isolate 3 into bracket 2x. So we now have divide by log 2, then divide by log 2. So here we have this to cancel out with this. Then we have 3 into bracket 2x equal to log 4 can now be simplified as 2 to the power of 2 plus log 5, everything over log 2. Okay, bringing down this to the base, our next step becomes 3 into bracket 2x equal to 2 log 2 plus log 5, everything over log 2. Now we can multiply this to get 6x equal to the whole part, writing this in a separate form. So we have 2 log 2 over log 2 plus log 5 over log 2. So we can now cancel out this. Then we are left with 6x equal to 2 plus log 5 over log 2 in a simpler form. So we can rewrite this as 6x equal to 2 plus log 5 to to the base of 2. Now, dividing both sides by 6 to isolate x. So we have divide by 6, divide by 6. So we have 6 cancel with 6, and we are left with x equal to 2 plus log 5 to the base of 2 all over 6. This implies our value of x in this solution. Another alternative way to approach this question is to say to have our question 8 to the power of x multiplied by 8 to the power of x equal to 20. So this can be simplified as 8 to the power of 2x equal to 20. Now from here we can rewrite this left hand side as 8 to the power of x into bracket to the power of 2 equal to 20. Now here, what we need to do here is to take the square root of both sides. So if we take the square root of both sides, we have this square root of 8 to the power of x to the power of 2 equal to square root of 20. Now here, what we have here is to cancel out this and this. And now we are left with 8 to the power of x equal to square root of 20. From here, we now have 8 to the power of x equal to square root of 20, which is simplified as square root of 4 multiplied by 5. Now we can split this as 8 to the power of x equal to square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 5. So here, square root of 4 is equal to 2. We have 8 to the power of x equal to 2 square root of 5. Now from here, we can now take the log of both sides. We have log 8 to the power of x equal to log 2 square root of 5. Now we can bring down this x, the exponent, down to the base. We have x log 8 equal to log 2 square root 5. So here, this is in form of multiplication, which can be written as x log 8 equal to log 2, that is multiplied by 5. So we know the rule for this. When we have log of multiplication expression of this nature, then we are going to transform it to addition in terms of the identity of log. So here we now have x log 8 equal to log 2 plus log square root of 5. Okay, now the next step becomes x log 8 can now be simplified as 2 to the power of 3 equal to log 2 plus log 5. Log square root 5 can now be transformed into 5 to the power of half. So we write this radical in terms of the power of half, in terms of exponents. Okay, now we can now bring this exponent down to the base of this part. So we have, and this power over here, this exponent will also come down to the base. So we have 3x log 2 equal to log 2 plus half log 5. Now from here we can divide both sides by log 2 to isolate 3x. So we now have divide by log 2, then divide the whole of this by log 2. So we have this to cancel out with this. We have 3x equal to log 2 divided by log 2 plus half log 5 divided by log 2. So this can as well cancel out with this. So we now have 3x will be equal to 1 plus half. In a simpler form, this will now become log 5 to the base of 2. So we can divide both sides by 3. So if we divide both sides by 3, then the next expression becomes x will be equal to 1 over 3 plus 1 over 6 log 5 to the base of 2. And this is the value of x using this second method. So this value is as well the same as the previous value that we got earlier for x, which is this over here. So it means x is also equal to 2 plus log 5 base of 2 everything over 6. So we have two values of x, they are the same. It's only the form that has been written down that makes it look different. Okay, they are the same. These are just mathematical expression. Check. Let's verify the value of x to whether it satisfies our earlier question. So from our question, 8 to the power of x multiplied by 8 to the power of x equal to 20. So this is simplified as 8 to the power of 2x equal to 20. Now we can insert our value of x. So whichever one we take out of these two, we should definitely arrive at the left hand side equal to the right hand side. Now let's take this. Okay, we have 8 to the power of 2 into brackets 1 over 3 plus 1 over 6 log of 5 base of 2 into brackets. Would that be equal to 20? So this written in a separate form, writing this in a separate form, we have 8 to the power of 2 into bracket to the power of 1 over 3 multiplied by 8 to the power of 2 into bracket 1 over 6 log 5 base of 2. Would that be equal to 20? So we simplify this as this 8 as 2 to the power of 3, then multiply by 2 into brackets 1 over 3, then this as well 2 to the power of 3, okay, then multiply by 2 into brackets 1 over 6 log 5 base of 2. Would that be equal to 20? Now these 3 can cancel out with these 3, so we are left with 2 to the power of 2 at this part. Then we have multiplied by the whole of this, so this multiplied by this, that's 3 multiplied by 2, we have 2 to the power of 6, then into bracket 1 over 6 log 5 base of 2. Will that be equal to 20? Now this 6 can cancel out with this 6. We have 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by the whole of this 2 to the power of log 5 base of 2. Would that be equal to 20? So from our log identity of base a to the power of log b base a is written as b. So from this identity, we use it to approach this part of this expression from the left hand side. Now we have 2 to the power of 2 is given by 4 multiplied by, so this b here in this form, so here it is represented by 5. So we now have 5. Would that be equal to 20? Multiplying 4 by 5, we have 20, and that is equal to 20. So we have the left hand side to be equal to the right hand side. So here is the end of the lesson. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please like the video, share the video, subscribe to this channel, and let's grow this channel to a bigger audience. And I'll see you in the next interesting lesson. Bye for now.